Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to block in WhatsApp. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the videos till the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp on iPhone or Android. Absolutely on any device. And then you'll see chats, contacts, calls, settings. We can select in the chats who we want to block. We can select a user. Click on their profile. Scroll down. There's a block here. Click here. Click block again. We can also select from our contacts. Click on contacts, and here we have calls. We can click on someone who has called us. Scroll down. Click block and block. So that's the easy way to do it. Also, if you want to unblock someone, you press Settings, Privacy. Click Blocked. Here you select the person you've blocked. Click on their profile. Scroll down and click Unblock. And then that person will be unblocked. Here is such a simple way to do it. If you liked and helped this video, you can put a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you all. Goodbye.